Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cleaning the steering wheel a little bit. As you can see, it's getting a little shiny. I'm just going to be using a little detail brush with some, believe it or not, Dawn dish soap. You could use any good all-purpose cleaner, but Dawn is pretty safe too. So I'm going to show you the difference between, I'm going to do this side, and I'm not going to do this side of peel the tape. That way you can see the difference. Not supposed to be shiny, it's supposed to be more matte. Get shiny from the oils in your skin. So let's get started and see how it works out. We got our brush. I don't want to have too much on there. I don't want it to make a huge mess in the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this towel on the top of my steering wheel over here. That if I get any drips, it won't be so bad. All right, let's start agitating. Okay, glad I put that there. So now let's see the difference. I'm going to wipe with the towel and peel the tape. Not too bad, but I could already see the difference once we get it dry. See, the finish is a lot more matte. And there you go. Nice clean steering wheel versus oily. So just a simple way to go over the wheel. Then you could put some leather treatment rather on there, and you can see the clear difference between dirty and oily versus clean and matte. That's the way it's supposed to be. So just a little bit of Dawn dish soap, just a few drops. Get a brush of your choice that's not too hard and abrasive where you're going to scratch your steering wheel, but that should clean everything up. So this is the finished result. Looks fresh and new without all that greasy shine. Did the airbag area as well. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.